With Ukraine's drone army working hard to take out Russian equipment, some systems are easier to destroy than others. With Russia's expensive TOS-1A thermobaric rocket launcher system, the question becomes if it's loaded with rockets or not. Being a shorter-range rocket launcher system, Ukraine's drone army's reach can easily target the system. Being able to damage, immobilize, or possibly destroy the system without any rockets loaded, but most commonly only destroy the system when loaded with rockets. Seen here again as the loaded system gets targeted by a FPV drone straight on. The system gets obliterated instantly, destroying another of Russia's TOS system, leaving one less for tomorrow. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.